Alright, sorry for the speed, it'll seem glitchy because I made my video as a time lapse so that you're able to clearly see the convection cycle. So let's get started. As you can see, I placed red food dye in the middle of the container to represent the hot water and placed blue food dye to represent cold water. Once the food dye set, I placed the hot mug underneath the container. The hot mug had caused the red dye to get hot and pushed up to the top of the container. The red dye then gets pushed outwards to the edges as more red dye rises underneath it. As it goes out to the edges, the hot water starts to get cool, and cool water sinks just as hot water rises. Then, you can see the blue sides getting drawn in. This represents the cold water getting pulled towards the hot water and pushing the red dye or hot water up once again. This experiment illustrates a convection current or a convection cycle. This time-lapse of red and blue food dye shows how hot water rises and loses density when it is hotter, but after it cools, it gains density and sinks back down towards the bottom, where the heat source is. This causes an endless cycle of heat shown through the blue and red food dye.